what the freak is up? Right, Henry? This is Henry, if you don't know who Henry is. He's my baby. Okay, don't do that. What's up, guys? It's a beautiful day here in LA. Drinking my green juice. Such an LA The green juice that I'm drinking, an avocado green smoothie juice from Pressed Juicery. It's apple, celery, cucumber, banana, avocado, spinach, lemon, kale, spirulina, and matcha. It's very good. So guys, I did my hair. I just like to have my hair done. It makes me feel better about myself because, you know, when your hair's just not done, you're like, ugh. Just like makes you not want to do anything. Well, me personally, that's just how I always feel when I don't have my hair done, but it's fine. And speaking of hair, that brings us to our sponsor for today's video. So thank you, Function of Beauty, for sponsoring this video. So guys, I have been using Function of Beauty for years now. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, I truly live by this shampoo and conditioner specifically. I am absolutely obsessed, and look how cute this is. It says Function of Franny on it. That's the shampoo, and then on the conditioner as well. It says Function of Franny. Can you see that? I just love how personable it makes it. It really is made for me. Guys, Function of Beauty is so easy. You just go to their website and you take a 5-minute quiz. You just answer a bunch of questions about your hair, whether you have coarse hair, curly hair, straight hair, the goals you want for your hair, if you want the products to help you with your split ends, with the frizziness, with more deep conditioning, whatever it is. They have so many options. You also get to choose the color of your shampoo and conditioner and the scent, which is so great. Also, what I really love about it is that you can choose how strong you want the scent. Some people cannot stand super strong scented products, so you can choose how strong you like the scent, whatever you want. So specifically my shampoo and conditioner that I got, they send you like a little pamphlet of exactly what you picked because I didn't remember, but I got anti-frizz, deep conditioning, fix split ends, hydrate, replenish hair. My hair is so thick, so coarse, and I'm not gonna lie, I do style it a lot with heat because it's just so hard to manage when I don't. If you've been following me on my channel for a while now, you know that I used to wear extensions, and literally the extensions were so my hair could be this long. My hair used to be like this short. You know, I dyed it, I bleached it, and it was damaged, and it's just, when you have really thick, coarse hair, it's a lot more prone to being damaged. Literally my saving grace items that have gotten my hair like this, I'm not even joking. It would not be this way without Function of Beauty. I've been using it for so long. Guys, these products are also dermatologist tested, so they will never irritate your scalp. They're also paraben, sulfate, and cruelty-free, and they're vegan. So you get just the best of both worlds. And also, this is probably my favorite part about Function of Beauty is that they deliver straight to your doorstep. So it's just nice to have it delivered to your front doorstep and you don't have to worry about it. Because I realize when my hair's all wet and I'm in the shower and I don't have anything, so I have to step out, and then I just have to deal with just having wet hair and running to the store and then come back and showering again. So guys, y'all know when I absolutely love a product, I'm always gonna hook it up. So you can get 20% off of your first 16-ounce custom set when you click the link and subscribe. And guys, I just want to let you know it is so worth it to become a member because you get really cool perks like free shipping. And guys, the link is down in the description, so go ahead, click that link, go check it out, go check out Function of Beauty. You will not regret it. Alright y'all, so now that I gave you the spiel on my hair because I really liked how it looked today and how it came out, I'm gonna go on with my day. But before I do that, I wanted to try some products for y'all. I want to start doing more beauty stuff, not super full straight makeup tutorials, but I went to Charlotte Tilbury yesterday and I did some hardcore damage. I did indeed. And I wanted to try the product on camera because everyone just raves about them. Raves, and I just want to try the products on camera. So I'm gonna do my makeup real quick on camera for y'all. Yeah, so I'm gonna go grab the makeup stuff. I usually do it in the bathroom, but the lighting sucks in there, so I'm just gonna come in here and just have a little mirror and fix myself. I got little clips, keep my hair out of my face. I just ordered those makeup clips that are flat because they just always dent to my hair. So this product I've always had from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm absolutely head over heels for it, and it is the Magic Serum. It is so good. I use it as a primer basically, but it is a serum and I'm absolutely so obsessed with it. I'm not a huge primer person, but this one I am. So the first product that everyone has been raving about is the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. I've just been hearing crazy things about this foundation. I don't use foundation that much anymore. I always use my Bare Minerals. It's kind of like a tinted moisturizer basically. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. When I use new products, I'm like, is this even gonna match me? I don't freaking know. Oh my god, my hair is so dark. I've been wanting highlights, but am I gonna regret that? It's just a decision that I gotta really do impulsively. Sick. Now look when you know it's about to come out. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, wow. It's very pretty, actually. Wow. I'm actually really impressed. It's like pretty good coverage, but it's like not heavy at all. Like you can still see my skin, if you know what I mean. Like that's like my biggest thing about foundation is I hate when it looks like, I don't know, like too much, if that makes sense. So I feel like in total, I used 3 pumps. I could have done 2, honestly, but it's okay. Guys, so Henry's been doing this thing where I let him into the backyard and he just eats the wood chips. So I don't know what to do about that every time, and I don't know how to stop him from doing that. It's just been like an ongoing thing. It's fine. Guys, this foundation is so nice. Not that I'm surprised because I love all their products, but I'm just like, okay, this is fun. I'm gonna put a little bit on my neck. That's like the worst when your neck is a different color. Wow, so fun. Okay, the next product is not Charlotte Tilbury. I'm so sorry. It's just my NARS concealer that I'm gonna use because I didn't buy a concealer from them. I just use the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the color Custard. I've been using this for, I can't even like begin to explain to you for how long, but I use that for under my eyes. Sometimes I don't know if it's a little too thick for under my eyes, but it really does work well. Okay, well the NARS blended in beautifully with that foundation, so we're doing real good here. Okay, so the next product I'm gonna be using is the contour wand in medium deep. I'm excited for this. Oh, it has like a little fuzzy dot to it. Fun. Ugh, contour sticks make me so nervous. I like to kind of blend it in with a brush first, and then I go in with my beauty blender, but we'll see. Ooh, okay. Okay, contour wand. Guys, I don't know why. I'm just like so blown away by how beautiful this looks. And it's just because like when I use a new product, I'm so used to using like the products that I have. Like when I tell you, I really don't deviate from my makeup. Like when I find something that I like, I just stick to it. So when I do find something that I like, I'm like, oh my God, okay, fun. Guys, I am like so impressed by how all this is going on. Okay, so far, 10 out of 10 on the foundation, 10 out of 10 on the contour wand in, what is it, medium deep. I'm like stunned out of the water. So this product apparently is like sold out all the time, and it is the Beauty Light Wand, the blush wand in Pinkgasm. I heard that this blush is like so hard to find. Literally, the guy that was helping us said that they had 200 in stock like this past weekend, and they had 7 left. So I literally was like, you know, I'm just gonna take it. I'm gonna take it because if there's 7 left, that means that it has to be a pretty decently good product. This is what it looks like. It's in a wand as well. Cute, okay. Did I put too much? Let's find out. I never put on blushes this color. I always put on like a, more of like a mauve-y type of blush. Cute, I like it. I'm going to just top it off with my regular blush from Bare Minerals, just cause that's what I always do. And then I sometimes go in with another bronzer. I go with in with like a Too Faced bronzer. These products are so good, and like everything like just blends in so nicely with it. Like it just blends in so well with like powders, and it's so good. Oh, I didn't use the highlight. I don't like using like liquid products over powder, but I'm just gonna do it because I literally messed up. It's fine, we'll figure it out. Oh, I'm scared. Is he gonna f it up? It might. Oh God. Oh. Never mind. Like these products are great if you want to just do an all liquid face. Yeah, I normally shouldn't do that over powder, but it's fine. The highlight is so pretty though. I love it. No, guys, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with everything. Okay, lastly, I got the Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Powder in the shade 2. Also, the highlight is in Spotlight. I'm just taking like my powder brush. I don't use this like all over my face or anything. I literally just use it to like set like under my eyes and stuff like that. So pretty. In love. Okay, I'm gonna go finish off my makeup in the bathroom. I'm gonna go do my eyebrows, put on some liner, mascara, and yeah, but guys, I'm feeling flawless. Right, Mr. Henry? Do I look flawless? Does mama look flawless? Yeah? Okay guys, so I am on my way to Malibu at the moment. For what reason? I really don't have one. I love Malibu when I have days off, or when I don't have to work, or when I just like don't have to do a bunch of things like where I live. I always go to Malibu. I just like I'm obsessed with it. My parents live really close to it, so I always go. I'll drop Henry off. I have Henry with me right now. I don't know if you can see him in the back. I'll drop him off at my parents' place and I'll like head to Malibu, and I just like to spend the day there or grab some food. I'm actually gonna go grab food, maybe shop a little bit. I'm gonna I brought my laptop, so I might write. So yeah, guys, Malibu is literally, it's just like relaxing over there. It doesn't feel like I'm in LA, which I love so much. So yeah, I'm gonna head over there and take y'all with me. Okay guys, so I'm at Sun Life Cafe. I got an acai bowl because I'm so freaking hungry. I got the Bliss Bowl. I've never had it before, but it's really good. I'm gonna do some work stuff. Brought my laptop. I'm gonna write a little bit. Sorry, my mouth's full of food. I have to buy Neza a birthday gift, so I probably need to go do that. It's so beautiful here today. I'm taking advantage. I'm gonna just write outside because it's so freaking nice. I will show you the acai bowl up close though. Like, come on, people. It's so good. Just quick update on my acai bowl. It's soup. Like, it's literally straight soup. It's literally a smoothie bowl now. I've been here for like 30 minutes now. Still just vibing. I don't really feel like getting up. Yeah, this vlog has just been real interesting so far. You know, like when you see someone, because this just happened. You know, like when you see someone that you know, but like you never talk to, and you're just like, you don't want to talk to them? That just happened to me. And I hated it. I really do. I really hate when things like that happen. I'm like so socially awkward. I'm so like, I just like not good at talking to people. So I started taking some photos with my film camera. Sorry, I can't see. It is so damn bright. The sun is setting. I just like to take photos of random stuff, guys. Like, I'm not even kidding you. Like, I'll see something that I like kind of think is cute or something, and I literally pull out my film camera. I'm like, I need to take a photo. I'm a photographer now. It's kind of bright. All right, guys. So now I am walking Henry with my mom. Say hi. Hi. We're actually matching. I haven't seen her today, and she opened the door and we were wearing the Franny BRIAVIA crew neck in the color nude, so that's actually really funny. And we're both wearing nude pants. I know. How funny is that? But yeah, we're walking on Henry right now. Are you in the bathroom? Malibu was fun. It was a good time, but I'm probably gonna head home soon. I think I'm gonna be meeting up with Ayla. She wanted to do something tonight, so you'll probably be seeing her later on tonight. I'm not sure exactly what she wanted to do. Thought I'd just give you guys a little update. Mom, you have anything to say?
Oh, my love, that's all I say.
Mom, what?
Oh, my love.
She sends all her love. Guys, so my mom and my dad live by this like park. So I'm literally putting this in the swing. There's always like a slide and I always want to go down it and I never have. So I'm just going to do it right now on camera because why not? Can you see? Oh my god, yeah, hold on. Guys, I haven't been like on a playground or like on a, oh I'm sorry, this swing is like literally swinging. I haven't been on like a slide or on a playground probably since I was like 12. Sick. So Ayla, what are we doing here?
We're minting today, an NFT.
Ayla is getting minted. She's getting one of those things.
Yeah, so minting, for anybody that doesn't know, is basically like I'm getting it before it gets out to the public, which is like a very cool thing in like the NFT world. You guys probably don't care, but it's a big day for me. I'm gonna get one, and it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Yeah, Franny's here for moral support.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna capture the moment on camera.
Yes.
I'm gonna be like, woo, go Ayla!
Look how good Franny's makeup looks today.
Thanks. They saw me do it.
And her hair. Why does your hair look so good?
You know why? Function of beauty.
Oh yeah, you told me. Oh yeah. She did. She told me she wore this like new shampoo and conditioner today. She's been loving it and it looks good.
We didn't plan that.
We did not plan that.
On the right, we have the Nightshade here. in the pink mohawk and the crit on the chest. That's a rare
Go
trait.
stand next to it.
That is a rare trait.
I did it! Ayla, how do you feel about being a fully minted NFTer?
Absolutely incredible. I feel like you're zoomed in on my nose. No, this is really cool. I'm actually super excited because I've really wanted to do this, and so like this is like a big deal for me.
She's cute!